Hey guys, today we're gonna get extreme. Dang it, I forgot to say extreme.
Dude, come on, just grab it.
I'm trying. Extreme. Step number 1 to being extreme, safety. Just so you know, the first step to being safe is safety. And the second step to being safe is also safety. All right, guys, you can never be too safe. Can you come help me? All right, guys, now that we're 100% certified safety, we're ready to get extreme. So let's get to it. Look, I'm doing it. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Why would you do that? Alright, Extreme Nation, thanks for being extreme with me today. And now, go and be extreme.